What are your summer homeschool plans? Are you homeschooling through the summer? Are you taking off for vacation? Or are you doing a little bit in between? Keep watching to find out what Mrs. Mom's Homeschool is doing. Hey guys, it's Bonnie from Mrs. Mom's Homeschool and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm joining in on a collaboration with Ingrid over at Mommy and Mia's Homeschool Chronicles, and we're going to be talking about our summer homeschooling plans. If you're new to this channel, we are a homeschooling family with 3 children, and we do videos on homeschooling, preschool, homeschool, and day in the lives, field trips, and more. Also a lot of curriculum reviews. So if you're interested in that sort of thing, make sure to subscribe and check out all my playlists. And with that being said, let me share with you guys what we are doing this summer. So normally we homeschool year round. We don't take off normally for the summer months like the public schools do. And we will usually just take off like a month in December and then take off as needed throughout the year. But this year, this past school year has been a very hectic one for us, a very challenging one for us. And so we found the need to definitely take off for summer break, and we are very excited about it. We finished school last week and we are just completely ready to do a lot of fun activities this summer. Now, being that we're not homeschooling through the summer this year, it doesn't mean that the kids are free to just watch TV and play video games all day. I mean, when I was a kid in the summer, we played outside all day long, but kids nowadays don't seem to do that. So here are my plans to make sure that they are keeping busy but being productive and still having fun. First thing we're doing starting June 1st is summer camps. So my oldest daughter will be doing a 3-week drama workshop where she will be putting on a play and practicing and working through putting that production together with a team of young actors and actresses. So she will be doing that for 3 weeks, and it's an all-day thing from 9 to 3. And my son, who is 8, he will be at a basketball camp for 1 week, where he will be learning how to play basketball, use his skills, do all the techniques, so that if he decides to join a team later, he knows what he's doing. And that will leave me with my 3-year-old, which we will have plenty of fun that 1 week while the 2 kids are in camp. We will be doing things like splash parks and doing all kinds of fun stuff just for me to get some one-on-one time with her, which she never really gets because she is the youngest. They will also be participating in a VBS where my daughter will be volunteering and my little ones will be attending. That'll be in July. And my daughter's birthday is also in July, so we'll be celebrating that as well. As for myself, I will be taking a lot of time to prep for this upcoming school year. This will be the first year in a while where, God willing, we will be able to focus strictly on school without any extra things happening in our lives, and hopefully we'll just be able to have a beautiful school year. I have so many plans for this school year, and right now I'm just prepping my preschool busy boxes for my preschooler so that she can be entertained while I'm homeschooling my middle son, my only son, and then my oldest child. She's actually going to be going to school this year, and she's actually going to be going to school this year. So I will be prepping the whole school year. I'll be prepping all of his curriculum and my preschooler's things, and prepping videos for you guys, and working on my curriculum that I'm coming out with, which is learning science through creation for preschoolers. So stay tuned for that. And that's what my plans are for this summer, to just get everything completely organized so we can have a smooth year next year. Well, when I say next year, I mean August. Other things that we're going to be doing for fun when the kids are not in camp is taking advantage of all the free things that we have here. That's free movies that we'll be doing. They have those 3 times a week at our movie theater. So we'll be doing that at least once a week. We'll also be swimming at our YMCA. We'll be going to a family member's house to swim every Friday and hang out and barbecue there. My in-laws also have a pool. We'll be hanging out there. We just moved to a house this year that doesn't have a pool, so we'll be using other people's pools this summer. We'll be headed out to the beach. We will be doing the free bowling. We will be doing the free skating. We will be doing splash parks, and spending a lot of times with friends and family this summer, and trying to make sure we develop relationships that we haven't had a chance to develop much during the school year, and just enjoy each other and be together. We'll also be working on our summer bucket list, and I also want to be working on with my son this really cool coding program that we found. Now, They will also have their downtime to have their screen time. My daughter wants to be on her phone a lot or watching her Netflix shows, and my son wants to play his Xbox and his Switch, and my preschooler wants to watch her little YouTube videos or play on her little iPad. So I will definitely leave them time for that. I mean, after all, it is summer break, and I want them to be able to do what they want to do. But before they do what they want to do, they have to do what I want them to do. And so I created this before screen time list, where before screen time they have to have done their chores, read for 20 minutes, have spent time improving a skill or doing a hobby, doing 5 math problems, and practicing their mental math for 5 minutes. And so once this list is complete, then they can have their screen time. I also will be implementing some screen time limits. So my plan is to get these little poker chips that I have somewhere in the house, and they will have 10 poker chips per week. So that's the entire week. They have 10 hours of screen time. That's the entire week, including the weekend. So they will have to decide on how much screen time they're going to use a day, how much screen time they are going to save, and if they want to have their screen time, this list has to be completed first. Along with this list with the chores, that'll be their opportunity to earn their allowance. So they will be have to complete all of their chores in order to earn their weekly allowance. And as far as allowance goes, I'll probably do another video with that as well. I'll be giving them opportunities to earn some cash this summer. We're also implementing a summer reading program, which I have signed up my son for the Chuck E. Cheese one and the Barnes & Noble's one, but my daughter needs a little bit more incentive. So for the both of them, we're going to do $5 a book. So if they complete a whole book, they have to also fill out a 1-page book report. They will earn $5 for every book that they read this summer. So those are all of our plans for the summer. Wish me luck. I hope it all works out smoothly and we don't just end up on the couch doing nothing. No, I'm just kidding. We will definitely be doing most of these things, hopefully all of these things, and have a wonderful summer. So I will be posting videos for you on day in the life and how things were going, and some preparation for the upcoming school year. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and check out the playlist in the description below with the other homeschooling moms and what they are doing for this summer. Thank you guys again for watching.